Hi, this is OC estate plan lawyer Michael Pevney, and in this video I'm going to talk about how hard it is to change the terms of a trust. But before that, if you have any questions about this or anything else related to estate planning, you can visit me at ocestateplanlawyer.com and make an appointment to meet with me for free. So how hard is it to change a trust? Not difficult at all. So first let's talk a little bit about what you might want to change in a trust. You might want to change the beneficiaries. You might want to add somebody who's going to get something, or you might want to take somebody out. Sometimes we call that disinheriting somebody. And you also might want to change the way in which somebody inherits. A trust gives you a lot of control, so you can set up all sorts of conditions by which somebody gets an inheritance. So instead of giving someone money outright, maybe you want to change that to they don't get money until they turn a certain age or something like that. You also might want to change who the successor trustee is, who's going to take control of that trust and be responsible for giving out that money after you pass away, because maybe the first person you picked has aged or something happened to them, or maybe they passed away, or you just want to add an alternate or another alternate. It's always really good to have alternates for who you want your successor trustee to be. Also, sometimes if you have little kids, and the trustee is a certain age and some years have gone by and that trustee who you want to be there is getting to a point where their health is not too great, or maybe they've gotten to an age to where they may not be the most responsible person to take care of that. It's always best to review the terms of your trust every few years or when any of the sort of big life events happen. If somebody dies, if somebody's born, if somebody gets married, and if somebody gets divorced, any of these people that are involved in your estate plan at all. And basically, it's best if you go to the attorney that created the trust in the first place, and you basically write up an amendment, essentially what it is that you want to change about your trust. You sign it, you have it notarized, and you add it back in to that binder or folder or wherever your trust documents are saved. And you don't have to create an entirely new trust. You don't have to start taking things out of the trust and putting things back in. So for example, you don't have to take, if your house is in the trust, which I usually advise my clients that they put a home that they own into a trust, you don't have to take the home out of the trust and put it back into the new trust. The name of the trust stays the same. Everything you want to change, you put exactly what it is you want to substitute and change, you notarize it, and you put it back into that trust binder. And it can really be as simple as that. It is always best if you go back to the attorney that initially created the trust, because they're going to have all your information and have the initial trust and the language and the way that they amend trusts. It's all going to be sort of in line. And that's how simple it is to change a trust. It's not very difficult at all. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to hit the like button or make any comment that you wish. And if you have any questions about this or anything else related to estate planning, you can go ahead to my website at ocestateplanlawyer.com and make an appointment to meet with me for free. Once again, this is Michael Pevney. Thank you very much for your attention, and thank you for watching.